So, look at this.
I have umbrellas. Yeah.
I'm making you a video. There's been lightning and stuff out
Yeah,
here.
and I only have the two big.
It's lightning, so that shouldn't be too shocking for you.
Big ones. Did you see them at the walk?
Yeah, that puts everything off to the last.
Sitting on a bench waiting for a table at Longhorn Steakhouse. And we are going to get rained on. This is the mother unit. She doesn't care about the storms or our lives. Doesn't care about our lives. Back to the action. And I would say that's about it. I wanted to see if I could catch a lightning bolt. There you go. See it? There's some lightning. I don't want to make this video too long. I want to catch lightning. Oh well. That's it for now. We're up to about a minute.